Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about this lamp that I got. The brand sent it to me to try out. I'm pretty excited about it. Was relatively easy to assemble. I'm a 58-year-old grandma and I was able to put it together. This bottom piece is in the underneath of this base, and then they just fit. All the pieces just fit inside each other. And then this is where the light will be. And can you see the solar at the top? So I've had this top piece out in the sun since yesterday so that it would charge up, but you can plug it in and charge it up that way. I just wanted to show it to you in the daytime, and then I'm going to come back out here this evening and show you what it looks like when everything is all lit up. It is relatively light. Again, I'm a 58-year-old grandma and I am picking it up with one hand. So it is relatively light, so you will want to fill the base right here with water or sand. I'm going to use water because I am going to be using this at my campground when my group goes camping and we need to light up a big space, but we don't want permanent lighting or string lights. Maybe there's nowhere to put a string light. So I'll come back tonight and show you what it looks like all lit up. All right, look how bright it is. Look how much it's lighting up my poor grass that's not growing. My yard is not perfectly flat, and I was using a dog rag toy to balance it, and my dog stole it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.